In a few minutes, we are all gonna be moving and shaking and dancing. Just make sure you watch where your hands and feet are going. And if for some reason you need to leave the party, just see one of the awesome Disney Theater team members. Thanks so much and enjoy the party.
Hola a todos y bienvenidos a Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Live. Dentro de unos minutos estaremos brincando y bailando. Solo asegúrense de cuidar sus manos y sus pies. Y si por alguna razón necesitan dejar la fiesta, favor de acudir a uno de los increíbles miembros del equipo Disney Theater. Muchas gracias y disfruten la fiesta.
Ready for a party at Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. So stand up, kids, and get ready to dance, because it's time to welcome our good pal Mickey Mouse and all his friends.
It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Hi, everybody. Oh, boy. How you doing?
We're going to have such a fun party together! Are you ready, Mickey?
I sure am!
Oh, hooray!
Let's get this party started!
Get up! Get started! The party is here at the Clubhouse! We're with Mickey Mouse!
There's nothing better when we're together! We'll say it loud!
It's time to welcome the rest of our friends!
And now, here he is, everybody! Our good pal, Goofy! Psst, he's not here.
Oh dear! How about Daisy?
She's not here either.
Oh, gosh, how about Pluto?
I don't know what to tell you, Mickey. Nobody's here. Oh, hi everyone. I'm Sam, by the way, and I'm Mickey's DJ and party planner and a whole bunch of other things around here.
Where is everybody?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh my! What do we do?
Oh, I know!
What?
Let's go find them!
Buttons and bows! That's a great idea!
Yeah, sounds good to me, but I'd hate to leave everyone here alone.
We don't have to leave them here. Say, do you want to come along with us to find Goofy, Daisy, and Pluto?
Yeah! All right then, kids, get on your feet and show us your best dance moves. We're gonna take this party on the road.
Lead the way, Sam.
Oh, luckily, I used to be a tour guide.
You don't say.
Oh yeah, let's go!
Looks like everybody's late for the show.
Come on now, we can't take this slow.
Come with us, we'll search high and low.
Get on your feet and let's go, go, go.
Everybody, let's go.
Go! I can't hear you! Go, go!
Time to party.
One more time! Let's go, go! Let's go, go, go!
From house to house.
With Mickey Mouse!
Gonna go door to door.
Let me hear you roar.
Gotta search north and south.
Go everywhere!
West to the east till we find the one they're looking for.
1, 2, 3,
It's
4.
a house party,
So get loud.
when it started,
We'll find out.
it's a house party.
With Mickey Mouse!
When we all go knocking,
There's no doubt. We'll have a blast.
got so much in store. Put your hands in the air and let's
Go, go, go!
Everybody, let's go.
Go, go!
I can hear you.
Go, go, go!
Time to party.
Go, go, go!
One more time, let's go, go, let's go, go, go.
So many things to do!
So much magic to make.
We can't wait!
Once we find our way to you,
All together
we're
now.
gonna dance, gonna sing, and you know we're gonna celebrate.
1, 2,
Hey,
3,
it's a house party,
So get loud!
Gosh, nobody's home.
Oh, are you sure? I can hear them.
Me too. Let's go inside. Goofy! Goofy!
Gosh, I was just about to hop in the shower.
Oh, you're late for the party, Goofy.
I am? Gosh. Let me turn off the water. Oh, wow. Oops, I think something broke.
Oh, I can help. I used to be a plumber.
Really?
Yeah, wait right here. I'll take a look. There's no need to wear a frown.
Sam, my friend, I like that sound.
Makes me want to move around.
Come on, folks, we're rhythm bound.
Can you give the groovy beat?
Yeah.
Come on now and move your feet.
Okay.
Clap your hands and feel the groove.
Get on up and start to move.
Join us for the bubble bash. Let's all make a big, big splash. Dance around and show your style. All you need is a big smile. It's the bubble bubble bash. All these bubbles are making me laugh. I'll have this fixed in a flash.
Stomp your feet and wave your hands.
Dance around and show your style.
This might take a little while, especially if we conga. Come on, woohoo! It's the bubble bubble bash. We all made a big, big splash.
Glad you had a lot of fun.
Hiya, folks, the job is done.
Gosh, thanks, Sam.
Oh, anytime.
Goofy, it's time to go find Daisy.
Gosh, let me change and I'll meet you back at the party.
All right, everyone, let's say bye, Goofy.
See you soon.
See you there, Goofy.
Next stop, Daisy's house.
Let's go. It's a house party,
So get loud.
When it started, we'll find out. It's a house party.
With Mickey Mouse.
When we all go knock it, there's no doubt.
We'll have a blast.
Got so much in store. Put your hands in the air and let's go, go, go. Everybody, let's go.
Almost there.
Go, go, go.
Gotta find Daisy.
Go, go, go. Not three times. Let's go, go. Let's go, go, go.
Come on in. I need your help.
Gosh, it's kind of dark in here, Daisy. Can you turn your lights on?
I can't. The power went out. Oh my.
Oh, hey, maybe I can help. I used to be an electrician.
Gee, what can't you do?
Tie my shoes.
Daisy? Over here. Where? Here. We can't find you.
Boy, it's really dark.
Hey, everyone, we're trying to get the lights back on, but we need your help. If you see Daisy, shout Daisy so we can find her. Okay? The lights are off.
I cannot see.
What will we do?
Please come find me.
Oh, I'm looking.
Where's Daisy? Mickey, Minnie.
It's dark in here.
What can we do?
These flashlights here are just for you.
Where's Daisy?
I'm over here. Where are you?
What? Wait, what? What?
Where is Daisy? Over here. for getting the power back on, Sam.
Oh, no problem.
You're so handy.
Say, Daisy, we need to get you to the party.
But first, we have to go find Pluto. You go find him. Let me tidy up, and I'll see you there.
Last stop, Pluto's house.
It's a house party,
So get loud.
When it started, we'll find out. It's a house party.
Mickey Mouse.
When we all go knocking, there's no doubt. We'll have a blast, got so much in store. Put your hands in the air. Is that snow, snow, snow? Hey kids, come on! Reach up and try to grab some of that snow! Look at that!
This is fun.
So much fun.
Oh yeah, I'm with you there. Woo! Hey, we ought to keep this party moving if we're gonna find Pluto. Come on! Everybody, let's go, go, go!
Almost there.
Go, go, go!
Find Pluto.
Go! Now ready to go! Oh, oh! He's under the snow! Oh, hey, I think I can hear him.
We've got to get him out of there.
I can't even find the front door. What should we do?
Oh, beats me. It never snows in Southern California.
Oh, goodness, it's cold.
Oh, I wish we could warm up.
Sam, I've got an idea. You're a DJ. Maybe you can play some hot tunes?
Hot tunes. I think you're onto something, Mickey. Hey, maybe that can melt the snow.
Great idea.
Hey, everyone, listen up. You see these thermometers on either side of us? Well, we need to raise the temperature up in here. So kids, get on your feet and show us your best dance moves so we can heat things up and melt the snow. Come on. We got to bring the heat. So move your feet. Let the beat take over your whole body. We need to warm up the door. Come on now, you know what to do. It's up to me and you. There's only one thing that can break us through the ice. If we work together, maybe we can melt the snow. Temperature is rising when we're moving to the beat. We gotta melt the snow. We're running out of time. Let's hurry so our friends can meet. The snow is far too deep. Need to bring more heat. Think I see the sun on the horizon.
Come on, don't stop.
Give it all you got.
Almost there. Sleep's rising in the air. We got the best thing to break us through the ice. When we work together, I know we can melt the snow. Temperature is rising. Hey! We did it! We're running out of time. Let's hurry down to Mickey Street.
Good to see you, pal.
We gotta melt the snow. Come on now, melt the snow. Sing it out, melt the snow. Hey, hey. We gotta melt the snow. Hey, hey. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on now. Hey. We gotta melt the snow. So glad we found you, Pluto. We'll see you back at the party.
Lead the way.
All right.
Here we go. Keep up, Mickey. Deja vu.
Oh, yeah.
Woo.
All right now. Since we found all of our friends, let's get this party started.
And now, here he is, everybody. Our good pal, Goofy.
Long time no see.
And Daisy. It's lovely to be here at last.
And of course, Pluto. And now that we're all here together,
This is a perfect time. This is a place. Me and my friends are so excited. All right.
Okay.
Hold your hands high up in the space. Feel all the magic in the air. It's time to celebrate. Right through the chopper with the bubbles, we're smart. We brought the light, we're not afraid of the dark. Nothing can stop us now. We climb the mountain and we melted the snow. Now we can party and then party some more. Everybody all together now. Get up, get started. The party here at the clubhouse. With Mickey Mouse. That's me. There's nothing better when we're together. We'll say it loud. Let me hear you now. Say oh, oh.
I want to hear you scream it out.
It's a party at the clubhouse.
All your favorite friends are there.
Let's go. Yeah. All right, now everyone, repeat after me. All right. Go Minnie. Go Minnie. Go Goofy. Go Daisy. Go Pluto. Now make some noise.
We're not afraid of the dark.
Hey, nothing can stop us now.
We climbed the mountain and we melted the snow.
Now we can party and then party some more. Everybody out together now. Get up, get started. The party's here at the clubhouse. With Mickey Mouse. There's nothing better when we're together. We say it loud. Let me hear you now. Say oh, oh,
I want to hear you scream it out.
oh, oh.
It's a party at the clubhouse.
All your favorite friends are there. Let's go. Yeah.
Hot dog.
Oh, wait a minute. We forgot to do the hot dog dance. Come on. Come on, kids. We know you know this one. Sing it out, everyone. Woo! Now I'd say that's a great way to end our party here at Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Right, Pluto?
Bye for now.
See you later.
Bye, everybody.
See ya real soon.
See you, everyone. Have a great day.
That Bubble Bear song was great.